Thank you, everyone. I'd like to welcome all of you here. Our third annual wireless design contest. Last August, what we did is we invited engineers from around the world to stretch their imagination and their creativity and utilizing our Matchport BG wireless module and provide some interesting designs. This year we received over 150 entries, lots of very great creative ideas, which turned out to be a lot of fun to judge. First of all, I would like to thank our judges. We have Mark David, Editorial Director at Electronic Design. We have Bill Wong, Embedded Editor at Electronic Design, and Lee Teschler, Editor at Machine Design. So thank you, judges, for taking the time to judge these entries. We appreciate that very much. Talk a little bit about the awards categories here. We've got first place, second place, and of course there's a third place. Most likely to succeed entry and best student entry. Before we actually get to the awards, what I would like to do is turn it over to our CEO for a few words, Jerry Chase.
As some of you may or may not know, I've only been with Lantronix for about 2 months. In fact, I think my 2-month anniversary is still a couple days in front of me. And when I first got there and got here and people explained the contest to me, I thought what a fun, innovative way to celebrate what Lantronix does. And of course we are committed to very innovative wired and wireless solutions and opportunities to make networking easy. So sort of a fun way to illustrate what Lantronix is all about. And of course, as Mark said, with categories like Best Student Entry, it gives us a chance to develop young talent and have fun at the same time. We want to thank everybody for being here, for everybody who participated, and also our finalists for being here, one of whom only had to travel 2 blocks, and the other had to travel halfway across the country. So with that, I'm going to turn it back over to Mark.
All right, we'll commence with the awards here. Third place goes to Jared Bain for his Wi-Fi security robot. And Daryl Miller, our VP of Engineering, is going to talk a little bit about this application. Daryl?
Let's give him a round of applause.
Absolutely. Jared, congratulations.
Well, Jared, we enjoyed looking at the videos of your product and seeing the security robot going through the building looking for people. That was very intriguing. And we appreciate the way that you used the Matchport BG. You not only used it for communications, but you also used the Java applet capability. So we thank you for that. And maybe you could tell us a little bit more about your security robot.
Okay. It's supposed to replace a security guard in a warehouse or other type of building. It just kind of randomly runs around and it'll avoid walls and objects with the ultrasonic sensors. And when it senses somebody, it'll detect the user, and the way it senses you is it's looking for the infrared radiation or just the body heat coming off. And you can also control it manually if you want to go investigate a certain area of the warehouse.
So it never falls asleep, never drinks beer on the job, right? Yep. Very good idea. Can you have multiple units?
Yeah, have as many as you want anywhere in the world with the Wi-Fi access.
That's a great idea. Thank you.
Our second place winner is David Flores for his wireless miner. Unfortunately, David could not attend the event, so Daryl Miller will accept that and also explain about what this actually is. Daryl?
This is a really neat application. If you've ever been to an open pit mine, these are thousands of feet deep, miles across, and they have huge equipment that works these mines. Just to go a mile costs a fortune in one of those trucks. So if you can optimize those trucks, that's great. And that's what David has done here. He actually used active RFID along with the Matchport BG to know exactly where the truck is, to report that back to the central office, and then optimize the route for picking up the ore and bringing it back. So it was a great idea. And it would have been cool to have the truck here, but they're several stories high.